Which is your favorite rocket?
The shark.
How's the landing? Shannon, would you like to be an astronaut?
I think it'd be cool. Would you like to be an astronaut?
Yeah.
We're getting ready for the spacewalk.
So here we are. We're at the launch site. The rocket is 3 miles away from us. Mom and Dad flew from Calgary.
Yeah, we were going to see if we get our money back.
We can't.
Off the ski hill, took our skis off, drove to Calgary, jumped on an airplane, flew to Orlando, wrestled an alligator, got out here to watch the launch, and it was canceled because of hydraulics.
Like,
We're over here and watching a rocket launch. But it's not launching.
drove all the way out here, stood in line for an hour and a half, then we stood in line for a little bit longer. We're waiting out here for over an hour, and now there's a hydraulic problem, so they're not launching.
That's disappointing because it is such a nice night too.
Beautiful evening.
Totally clear,
Absolutely beautiful evening.
nice and warm.
Been perfect.
Yeah, we got close.
So close. I thought it was gonna go.
We're over in Titusville and we were watching a SpaceX launch from the Kennedy Space Center. It lifted off right over there. It was just like a lot of red. And then there's this red thing that went up into the sky.
It was almost like a sunset. It was really bright and it lit up the whole water. Yeah, it was really cool. It went really fast.
We don't know what to say. That was awesome.
Yeah, it was really good. I'm like a ball of fire.
Yeah,
So you caught your rocket launch.
we got it sort of.
It certainly was a rocket launch. Not the one we originally planned, but still was.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's okay.
better than going home empty-handed. So what are we doing, Sierra?
We're going to see a rocket launch again.
Myself and other personnel with that from the entire movement.
Okay, we're here at the Kennedy Space Center
Again?
in the again. Take two. We're at the launching site, sitting up in the bleachers. We've got a really nice spot, and the launch pad is just across from us, across the creek.
I hope there's no other problems this time and it goes.
After liftoff,
The booster will come down to land over there by those 3 yellow cranes.
4 minutes to lift off. You guys are ready for the
Minutes.
this evening at 7.
American SpaceX reporting that we continue to track no issues with traffic or Falcon proceeding. From all of us, good luck, Godspeed, go Crew 10, and enjoy the ride.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
There she goes.
That's amazing.
Prepare for the noise. There it is.
just under 20 seconds. We'll reignite 3 engines, 9 more engines. Slow the vehicle down as it makes its way back into the just over 6 minutes.
How was that? Pretty cool. It might still be coming.
12,000 miles per hour.
I don't know.
Making their way into orbit, going to the International Space Station.
Whoa!